Hello, I'm here to guide you through how to create GIF on Samsung Gallery. Yes, using your pictures on Samsung Gallery. Now, let's say I want to create a GIF. I'm on Gallery right now. So what I do is that I'm going to select the three dots at the top right corner over here and click on create. Now from create, I have two options, GIF or collage. I choose GIF. Then I'm going to select the items I want to, pictures actually I want to use for my GIF. So I say I want to select this. And after selecting them, I'm going to click on GIF icon at the bottom here. I click on it and then my GIF is created for me. Now I can decide to edit it. At the bottom here you can see edit. So I can, if I click on the first option, I get to see remove or add one more picture if I want to. Then if I click on the second one, I can decide to make it, as you can see, change the way it moves backwards instead. If I click on the next option, I can increase the speed like this or reduce it, or even make it extremely fast like this. Then I can decide to add other things to it, like draw on it, stickers and text. And once I'm through, I can even save it by clicking at it up here. I can save or share my GIF that I've created. So that's it. That is how to create GIF on Samsung Gallery. So don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more helpful tips like this.